यह काम कब किया जाना चाहिए? When should this work be done? When should this work be done? तुम कहाँ काम करते हो? Where do you work? Where do you work? उसने मुझसे पूछा, तुम कहाँ से आए हो? She asked me, where have you come from? She asked me, where have you come from? मैं एक कंपनी में काम करता हूँ. I work in a company. I work in a company. राम उसके बारे में बहुत कम जानता है ना? राम knows little about her, doesn't he? राम knows little about her, doesn't he? मैं एक दफ्तर में काम करता था. I worked in an office. I worked in an office. क्या आप कृपया मुझे अपनी नोटबुक देंगे? Will you please pass me your notebook? Will you please pass me your notebook? मैं चाहता हूँ कि बस हम अपना काम करें. I just want us to do our job. I just want us to do our job. रुपये गिनते समय सावधान रहें. Be careful while counting rupees. Be careful while counting rupees. मूर्ख मत बनो. Don't be an idiot. Don't be an idiot. टेबल पर जो किताबें हैं वे तुम्हारी हैं. The books which are on the table are yours. The books which are on the table are yours. क्या तुम मेरा मार्गदर्शन करोगे? Will you guide me? Will you guide me? मैच आज नहीं खेला जा रहा है. The match is not being played today. The match is not being played today. चलो घर सजाते हैं. Let's decorate the house. Let's decorate the house. वह मुझसे कहता है कि मैं तुम्हारा नेता हूँ. He tells me that he is my leader. He tells me that he is my leader. वे दोनों क्या खाएंगे? What will they both eat? What will they both eat? उसने कहा, हाय मैं बर्बाद हो गया. He said, alas, I am ruined. He said, alas, I am ruined. तुम दोनों क्या खाओगे? What will you both eat? What will you both eat? Or you can say, what will you two eat? What will you two eat? मुझे बुरा लगता है जब उसका मन अशांत होता है. I feel bad when she falls apart. I feel bad when she falls apart. मैं उससे मिला. I met her. I met her. राहुल को उस पूरे पैसे का हिसाब देना था जो गुम हो गए थे. Rahul had to account for all the money that had gone missing. Rahul had to account for all the money that had gone missing. मैं उससे कभी नहीं मिला. I never met her. I never met her. Or you can say, I did not meet her ever. I did not meet her ever. कृपया प्रतीक्षा करें. वे आपको 4 बजे वापस कॉल करेंगे. प्लीज़ वेट. दे विल कॉल यू बैक एट 4 o'clock. प्लीज़ वेट. दे विल कॉल यू बैक एट 4 o'clock. क्या तुम कुछ कह रही थी? वर यू सेइंग समथिंग? वर यू सेइंग समथिंग? मेरा घर जिसे मैं बहुत पसंद करता हूँ मेरे लिए आकर्षण का केंद्र रहा है. माई होम which I like very much, has been a center of attraction for me. My home, which I like very much, has been a center of attraction for me. क्या तुम मुझसे कुछ कह रही थी? Were you saying something to me? Were you saying something to me? कियारा, जिसका पति काम नहीं करता है, एक काम पाने की कोशिश कर रही है. Kiara, whose husband does not work, is trying to get a job. Kiara, whose husband does not work, is trying to get a job. ये तुम्हारे बस की बात नहीं है. दिस इज़ नॉट योर कप ऑफ टी। दिस इज़ नॉट योर कप ऑफ टी। पर्दे के पीछे छुप जाओ। हाइड बिहाइंड द कर्टन। हाइड बिहाइंड द कर्टन। मैं उसे जाने नहीं दे सकता। आई कैंट लेट हिम गो। आई कैंट लेट हिम गो। मैं सब समझ गया। I've understood everything. I've understood everything. मैं तुमसे झगड़ा नहीं करना चाहती हूँ। I don't want to quarrel with you. I don't want to quarrel with you. क्या वे हमसे सहमत होंगे? Would they agree with us? Would they agree with us? तुमने मुझे अजीब स्थिति में डाल दिया है। You just put me in an awkward situation. You just put me in an awkward situation. क्या हो अगर वो सहमत ना हो तो? What if they won't agree? What if they won't agree? मैं जो कहना चाह रही हूँ बस उसे सुनो। Just listen to what I'm trying to say. Just listen to what I'm trying to say. मैं उनसे बात कर लूँगा, चिंता मत करो। I'll talk to them, don't worry. I'll talk to them, don't worry. उसे नहीं पता है अंग्रेजी कैसे बोलते हैं। He does not know how to speak English. He does not know how to speak English. घंटों हो गए। It's being hours. It's being hours. उसके बारे में मेरी राय कभी नहीं बदलेगी। My opinion about him will never change. My opinion about him will never change. अब बस भी करो। Let it be now. Let it be now. हमें एक दूसरे की मदद करनी चाहिए। We should help each other. We should help each other. मुझे बहस पसंद नहीं। I don't like argument. I don't like argument. उपयोग में ना होने पर बत्तियां बुझा दें। Turn off the lights when not in use. Turn off the lights when not in use. काश मेरे पास कार होती। I wish I had a car. I wish I had a car. जो भी होता है किसी कारण से होता है। Everything happens for a reason. Everything happens for a reason. बच्चे थके थके से लग रहे थे। The children seemed tired. The children seemed tired. मुझे नहीं पता इसे कैसे करना है। I don't know how to do this. I don't know how to do this. ऐसा लग रहा था जैसे बच्चे थके हों। The children seemed as if they were tired. The children seemed as if they were tired. चलो समस्या का पता लगाते हैं। Let's figure out the problem. Let's figure out the problem. वे सब घर गए। They have all gone home. They have all gone home. मैं उसे एक विशेषज्ञ मानता हूँ। I consider him an expert. I consider him an expert. मीरा सुबह काफ़ी खुश लग रही थी। मीरा seemed happy enough this morning. मीरा seemed happy enough this morning. मैं घंटों तक पढ़ाता रहा। I went on teaching for hours. I went on teaching for hours. तुम्हारे कमरे में बहुत अंधेरा रहता है। Your room is very dark. Your room is very dark. उसने मुझसे समय बर्बाद ना करने को कहा। She asked me not to waste time. She asked me not to waste time. कितने बजे तक अंधेरा हो जाता है? What time does it get dark? What time does it get dark? तुम ये कब से कर रहे हो? Since when have you been doing this? Since when have you been doing this? ये ज़िंदगी का हिस्सा है। This is part of life. This is part of life. उसे क्यों नहीं हराया जा सकता? Why can't he not be defeated? Why can he not be defeated?